my channel. For today's video, I'll be teaching you guys how to fill in your eyebrows, beginners. So let's start. First of all, you will need a brush like this. It's kind of like slant brush. It's some brushes at the end, and then I'm using my NYX contour palette, and I'm using the dark brown for my eyeshadow or for my eyebrows. This one, or any eyeshadow you have, whatever you've prepared, guys, what color you would like. So for this one, I use this one for my eyebrows and some more. I'll show you guys later. So let's start. First of all, I'm just gonna dip it here, and then I'm just gonna follow my normal shape. Follow it very smooth. It's just very smooth stroke, guys. Don't stroke it that harder. So as you can see, I have that, and then for that I'll start on this, not so like here. Start from this line, and just gonna follow your shape, and then you just gonna shape it whatever you want to shape your eyebrows, and then I start filling in. Brush those products, blend it in, and then you see it's not perfect yet, so I just go ahead and I like to clean my brush after, so it goes straight. That's all clean, and then I dip it again with this dark brown eyeshadow. This way, you see this how I hold my brush. I just keep filling it in until you see the perfect shape and blend for you guys. Brush it. Keep brushing it. At the end, you don't need to have like a lot of product. At the end, you just need to blend it in some of excess product, so it look more natural and doesn't look like it's a big chunk in front of me. Start with my brush, like this brush, any kind of brush that has like this, and I'm gonna go ahead and do my concealer. Just a little bit, and then this will help you shape your eyebrows and clean those edges. And you can start again if you want it. It's not fixed yet. You can do it again. How I shape my eyebrows. Just wipe it up some of my front fingers. Wipe it up. This is really how you make it clean and shape your eyebrows. So I'm gonna go ahead and back on my liquid eyeliner. So I'm just gonna apply more product. So I'm gonna wipe it again. Make sure it's all straight. Just wipe it again and put more product, liquid eyeliner, and I'm just gonna go ahead and apply it again until I achieve that full eyebrows look that I want and shape, and then I'm just gonna go back on concealer and clean it again. Just keep brushing it. Let's go back again and fill more. I'm gonna go ahead and apply more of liquid eyeliner on my brush. And just do it again until I'm contented with the way my eyebrows look and how dark it is. It's up to you guys how dark you want your eyebrows, but I like it darker. So I just keep going, reapplying products. Apply some here. Make sure it's all like this, like the tip is straight. And then I gotta just go ahead and apply it in the inner of my eyebrows right here. This is how you make your shape and clean your edges so it look cleaner. You can see this concealer make it big difference for me because this is how I correct my mistake or my excess product, and this is how I clean it and shape my eyebrows the way I want it. So really concealer make it big difference. As you can see, starting to look cleaner. So I'm applying this brush, like any brush that look like flat at the end. I just apply concealer product just on the tip, so I could just clean this outer part of my eyebrows. Very light motion, a light stroke, and then just follow that line. That's how you want, how thick your eyebrows would you like to, and just follow the shape just like that, and don't worry about the excess one. You can just do this. I'll brush it off later. So as you can see, it's cleaner, make it more definition to your eyebrows, cleaner and more defined eyebrows. So you can brush it off that later. Well, just let me show you it now. Just like that. Mess up on that, you can just go back and reline that. Mascara on top. Just brush it. Pretty much done, guys. That is how I do my eyebrows. I'll do the other one and I'll show you the finished product. So pretty much done with my eyebrows, guys. So this is how I do my eyebrows. There you have it, guys. I hope you guys like it, and if you do, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up, and if you haven't subscribed yet, please hit the subscribe button. Thank you so much again, guys, for watching, and I'll see you again next time. Much love, Laila.